Hi, I'm here with Alan Stewart, the CEO of MB Century from New Zealand. You are a full service firm in geothermal,
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
based out of New Zealand.
Out in Taupo, Lake Taupo, beautiful
Taupo.
part of the country in New Zealand. Yeah.
So basically geothermal country.
Yes, yeah.
As well. So-
And also hydro. So we also support the hydro generators in New Zealand as well. Yeah.
So maybe kind of a little bit of explanation. I mean, we're here at this wonderful New Zealand booth as every year here at IIGCE.
Yes.
What brings your company here to Indonesia? And are you working in Indonesia or what are you doing?
Yeah, we're working here. To give you the background, we've got 75 years of geothermal experience, 50 years of hydro too, but very deep geothermal knowledge. So we've been working within all the developments in New Zealand for the last 75 years. We were involved in the first well that was drilled and all the developments from all the plant developments right the way through to where we are now. So to give you kind of context on why we're here, so in New Zealand there's about 1.2 gigawatts of geothermal. Here in Indonesia it's about 2.7, so significantly bigger. If you then extend out to the Philippines, it's about 2 gigawatts, and we've also got a presence there as well. And then if you look at the US, they've got about 3.5. So we're a relatively small player in the geothermal world with the longest, deepest history in geothermal. So our goal is to actually extend all our knowledge, and that's across from feasibility studies, through to drilling, through to wireline activity, through to commissioning and maintenance. We want to extend that across to Indonesia, Philippines, and then on to the US as well.
So you have a global kind of expansion kind of
100%,
plan.
100%. Yeah, we need to make sure that for our workforce, for New Zealand, that we can just extend our offering globally. It's a really small community in geothermal. Everyone's connected across the globe, and it just makes sense for us to extend that.
Do you then work here in Indonesia kind of through a partner, or do you have set up your own company?
No, we have our own PT company, so
Okay,
that's been announced on this trip, so we're super excited about that.
Okay.
We've got a company, a registered company also in the Philippines. So we've got a good presence here. We just want to build on it. Currently, we're delivering wireline services and also engineering services here in Indonesia.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
So, and from a perspective on the growth, I mean, do you see? I mean, you've been looking at Indonesia, I guess, for some time. You see a real interest and a growth perspective at the moment.
Yeah, so to contextualize, and this is where it gets interesting, the growth in New Zealand compared to this region, the amount of development is probably tenfold here. So just significantly different. New Zealand's a great marketplace, deep expertise, very well delivered development, very well delivered maintenance of geothermal systems as well. But the growth is here, and that's why we're here to support it. It's the same with the rest of our colleagues from New Zealand. New Zealand Inc. is coming out in force in these conferences because we've got so much deep knowledge.
Indeed. Yeah. Well, Alan, thanks so much for having us.
Pleasure.
Thanks.
Pleasure. Thank you.